Okay. Okay, so let's just do a few of these questions. The first question, it says, what's the difference between the reversible and irreversible? So remember what I tell you about the car. So the car go back, that's reversible, but not reversible in space, but reversible in time. Okay. The reversible means go back to how it was. Irreversible, it cannot go back to how it was. Okay, I'll give you a second to copy. Class, I hope you have your book and I hope you're writing. Yes, another student. Let's see. This one I think could be number. Maybe 11, but it's not 11. So actually, I don't know. So I have to ask.
Teacher, what page? What page?
I can't hear you.
Teacher, what page?
One page. Okay, there's another student. I think that's Priyakorn. 11. 11. 11 is okay. This one I don't know. This is very cheap. Okay, class, let's just do the next question. Class, if you write the Thai letters, it's very hard for teacher to know the number. Very, very hard. If you have the English letters, it's okay. I can read. Okay, let's just do the next questions. Okay, so is the reversible changes important? I think they are both important. So irreversible, that's like cooking. And it's very important that we cook the food. And then the reversible changes is like physical things, like cutting things. I think it's also important, like cut the paper or cut the wood and so on. And also freezing the ice and unfreezing the ice or melting the ice. That's also important. What is this numbing student? It's not on my list. We have Rich Rinyaporn Namping. I don't have on my list. Okay, let's just do the questions. Okay, class, are you finished?
No.
Okay. Oh, I see now. 17. The class you have to write quickly, so I'm gonna go to the next page because I want to play the game.
Finish.
Finished. Okay. Okay, so here you just have to say if it's reversible, irreversible. So when the banana changed to the ripe banana, reversible or irreversible? Chemical or physical?
Chemical.
Very good. Okay, so and if it's chemical, it's irreversible. Okay, good. Okay, then sugar is mixed with water to make syrup.
Physical.
Okay, this one
Physical.
physical is right. Physical is right, yes, and that's reversible. Yeah, because dissolution or to dissolve something, that is a physical change. When you put salt in the water, when you put sugar in the water, actually it's a physical change. Last one, rusting. Physical, chemical.
Chemical.
Yeah, it is. Good. Yeah, it's definitely chemical, and chemical is irreversible. Very good. Okay, let's just finish this page, then we can play the game. Okay, class, so when you're finished with this page, please go to the game Kahoot and put in the pen, then we can play. And I'll write it on the message thing. So here is the pen. That's not good. Let me just try again. We have 949 8756. I could pick this one back.
teacher
Okay, great. Okay, do type in the pen. Okay, class, so now we're going to do it again before we do more questions. And I'll put it on the line and I'll also put it on this chat. So you need to open the game called Kahoot. Go to the website. It's called Kahoot. Maybe I can give you a link actually. Let's see if I can give you a link. Okay. Second. There we go. Copy. Here's the pen. 949. 98756. That's it. Ah, good. I can see some students. Okay. So we have Noe and Komai. I'm waiting for more students. Let's share the screen also. Okay, class, I hope you finished writing. Okay. Ah, yes, by morning. Go home. Manao. Go fun. I've got 6. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 9, 11, 12, 14, 16. 7.
พี่ชอบจอมแจมค่ะหนูเข้าเล่นเกมไม่ได้ค่ะ
Teacher City, can you maybe help? I think maybe some students are not sure how to type it or something.
เข้าใน Google เขาใช่ไหมคะ Teacher in Google
So class, you could leave the meeting and then come back later. Or it's even better if you have another device, like if you have your phone, you can play with your phone. Or you can leave the meeting. Oh, good. Here's another one. So we've got 11 now. So I just 12. Very good. I'm just waiting for maybe 2 more students, 3 more students. Seven. Welcome 4. Yeah. Yeah, if you leave the meeting, it's okay. You can leave the meeting, you can come back later. It's okay. Okay, class, Are you all ready? Maybe some of you cannot join. Cow home is here. Cow home is okay, yes. Okay, so I'm gonna just give you one more minute and then we're gonna start. Home is here. Khan is here, good.
Me.
Okay, you are, let me see. You are number 17, Namping. Ah, yes, I'm still waiting for you, Namping. I don't see your name. You can leave this meeting and then join the game. You can quit your Google Meet and then go to Kahoot and join the game. I've got 14. Almost. Only 2 more students. 15. Almost. Very good. Just 1 more student. Okay, good. Yes, Namping. That is number 17. Very good. 4 is here. Atom is here. Kauhom is here. Baimon is here. Still have 14. Okay, class. Oh, Plum is here. Very good. Plum is here. That's number 13. Okay, good. 15. Okay, class, I think maybe we can start. Someone, 16. I think that's all the students. Good. Okay, class, so let's start the game. So I will show you the questions and you just have to choose the right answer. It's pretty easy. The last question, you can choose any answer. Okay, so let's start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so how many circles? Here's 1 circle, 2, 3. How many circles do you see? Okay, very good. A lot of students are right. Very good. Okay, next question. Okay. And here are your scores. Wow, looks like Noe is kind of the first one because choose very quickly. Very good. Okay, next question. True or false? Now, when you chop wood, there's a chemical change. True or false? Oh, very good. Okay, 10 students are right. And looks like cow home is number 1 now. Yeah, cow home is the first one now. Okay, next question. True or false? Ripening of fruit is not a chemical change. True or false? Good, yeah. So the answer should be it's false, and a lot of students are good. Yeah, looks like Noe is number 1 now. Noe go to the first spot. Okay, next question. Question number 4. True or false? All kinds of cooking is chemical change. any cooking is chemical change. Yeah, very good. Class, you're right. It's true. So any cooking, it is chemical change. Yes, good. Okay, next question. And then, looks like Noi is the number one now. Okay. True or false? The word reversible means go back in time. Reversible means go back in time. Oh, 7-7. Actually, answer should be true. Reversible, yes, can go back in time. Noi is still number one. Good job. Okay, question number 6. If you fry an egg, you cannot go back to the uncooked egg. True or false? Class, very good. Only one student got it wrong. Great job. It's true. And Noi is still number one. Very good. Okay, question 7. If you want to do an experiment to burn a piece of paper, which is the last step? The last step. It's all over the place. Only 3 students are right. Noi is still number 1. Yeah. Baimon is now number 2. And Carl Holm is number 3. Okay. And T is number 4. And Carl Fong is number 5. Question 8. When you make cheese, it's reversible. You can go back. Or irreversible. So can you go back? Yeah, so it's irreversible. There are 5 students who has the right answer. Noe is still number 1, and T move up to spot number 3, and Idea 2 move up to spot number 4, and Baimon is number 2. Question 9. What do you see? What is this? Wow! Almost all the students have it right. Very good. Yeah, Noe is still number 1. And everybody's staying in the same place. Okay, last question. Last question. Do you like science? Let's see. Oh, wow. Okay. So only 2 students say it's sometimes hard, and a lot of students like it. I'm so happy. Okay, that's it. Number 3, T. Very good. Number 2 is Baimon. Not bad. And the first one, Noi. Very good. I'll do a screenshot. And there's the runner-up also. Yeah, I'll do a screenshot. Let's save the screenshot. Save as one. Okay. Next. That's it. Finished. Okay. Class, we can go back to the meeting now. Let me see. I want to show you the screenshot of the winners. There it is. It's here. Yeah, that's it. Okay, and so the winner is Noe. Yeah, let me show you a window. Why doesn't it show? Yeah. So it shows here that, oops, not like this, like this. It shows here that Noe is number 1, have 8 out of 10. And Baimon is number 2 with 7. And then we have T, also have 8 actually, wow. T also have 8, pretty good. And then Idea 2 is the 4th one, and Cow Home is the 5th one. Good. Okay, class, so I think 8 out of 10 is not bad. I think maybe some of my questions are a little bit difficult, but I can make it more easy next time. Okay, let me just go back to the other one.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, class, do you like that game? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, good. No, I'm happy you like it. I think it's a good game. Yeah. So I think we can play it every time. If we finish a section, if we finish a chapter, I think we can play that game. And maybe I'll also try some other game also. But yeah, I think it's a good game. Yeah. Okay. Okay, class, let's just do a few more questions. And if we cannot finish today, don't worry. We can continue next time. Let's see. When do we have class again? Today is Thursday. Next time we have class next week, Tuesday. Okay, so let's just do a few more questions. Okay, so this is the last question actually on page 181. Okay, class, do you have your books?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so this question, it says that plastics is important in our daily lives. When we make plastic things, you can use a plastic palette to melt it into different shapes. Plastic can be recycled and cut into small pieces to make them pallets again. Okay, so melting of plastic, is it reversible or irreversible? Is it chemical or physical?
Physical.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So that is it's definitely a physical change. You can melt it, you can change it, but it's still plastic. It doesn't matter the shape, it doesn't matter, it's still plastic. Yeah. Where's Noe? No, it's actually number 9. I'm not surprised. Okay. Okay. Class, are you okay? Okay. Now, the next part, I want to do it a little bit different. So this time, what I want you to do is, I want you to try to do the questions by yourself. And then I show the answers, and then I want you to write at the bottom of the page, it says, I got something out of 6 and I got something out of 9. So you can check how much can you get. So actually, I want to wait for you to do it, and then I give you the answers. And the answers for this question you can see on page 149. So if you look on page 149, will help you to do these questions. And today, maybe we just do 1 or 2 pages. Next week, we can continue. Yeah. So if you look on page 149, it will help you to do this question. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is gun, I think, right? I think so. I think this is gun. Okay, class, at this time, I want you to do the question yourself. Then I will show the answers, and you have to count your marks. And you have to write it at the bottom of the page. You don't have to tell me, you don't have to tell the class, but just count it and write it at the bottom of the page. So I want you to finish the question first, then I show you the answers. So I give you some time. If I have a countdown. Yeah, yes. Plus, I'll show you the answers for the top of page 182. Okay, let me show you the answers. Go on. Okay, so all these things are on page 149. So I want you to check how much do you have? What is your score? Okay, so first one, a change from solid to liquid. If we go to page 149, we can see that solid to liquid is melting. Okay. Then we have from liquid to gas. Liquid to gas, that would be vaporization. Gas to liquid, that would be condensation. Okay, solidification, that is going to a solid. Liquid to a solid, that's it. Sublimation, that is solid to gas. And deposition, that is the opposite, gas to solid. Okay, so class, please check how many you have right, and then give yourself a score. At the bottom of page 182, you can write down your score. And if you have 4, I think you're okay. But if you have 3 or 2 or 1, you have to study page 149. If you have 4, 5, or 6, I think you are okay. Class, are you finished?
Teacher, I am finished.
No.
Okay, call home is not finished.
I am finished.
Good. Call home number 5. Okay, class finished?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so remember, if you have 4 or 5 or 6, I think you are okay. If you have maybe 3 or 2 or 1, you have to study page 149. Okay, next one. Okay, so once again, you have to put the word in the right place. So I'm going to give you some time. You can finish this, and then you can check your answers. I think I'm going to give you 3 minutes to do this. So let's see. Okay. Here we go. So this is question 2, page 182. Class, maybe I'll give you a bit more time because actually this one is a little hard, so maybe I give you more time. Good. Okay, class, are you finished with this question? Okay, so I will show you the answers. This one actually is quite hard. So I think I'm going to ask this question in the midterm test. So in the midterm test, I'll give this question exactly like this. Okay, so it's going to be important. So you can write the right answers. Okay, let's see. When a substance is added into something and mixes well with something. Okay, so that could be added into water, maybe. Yeah. And mixes well with. Maybe the solution. It's well with water. Okay, so water we have twice. It means it can dissolve in water. The mixture of the water and the substance is called a solution. The dissolution of a substance in water is a physical change. A substance in the same state of matter as the solution is called a maybe solvent. No. I think solute. No, solvent. Okay, so the water is the solvent. The substance in a different state, that is the solute. Okay. If both substances are in the same state, the one in a bigger amount has to be the solvent. And the one in a small amount is the solute. Okay. Because sometimes you can even put one liquid in another liquid, like alcohol in water. But you can also put a solid in a liquid. Okay, class, this one is a little hard. So I think this one, if you got 3 out of 9 is fine. Because this one I think is hard. Yeah, if you have 3 out of 9 points, I think you are okay. Because this question is not easy. Okay, class, are you okay?
Yes.
Good. Okay, class, I think we can stop here. So next period we will do more questions and maybe we play a different game next time, next Tuesday. We can play something else. And so I think the only homework I want to give you is I want you to finish the summary on page 179. I think it's the only thing I want to ask is to finish that summary. So let me show you, where is that summary pages? It's here. And some students already sent me their pictures, so I'm very happy to see that. But I think maybe some students are not finished. So I want you to finish that summary on page 179. That's sort of your homework for the weekend. If your summary is finished, then you are okay. Then you're fine. Now, okay, maybe I'll just send it again. Page 179. So, okay, let's see. 24th of. That's it. 2 pages and this one. Okay, so I'm sending it to you again. And actually, there was a better one I had, which is here. Here it is. Okay. Okay, class, so please just finish your summary. Oops, that is the wrong one. Not this one. Here we are. Here we are. Okay, some students already finished it, so I'm very happy. And maybe some students did not do it. This is it. Here it is. So that's all I want you to do is to finish this for the weekend. So that's the only homework you have. Let me see. This is it. Yeah. So here we see some students already do it. So I see T is okay. This one, number 9, Nemchok is okay. And this one, Baimon, thank you. Baimon is okay. And Pojai 23 is okay. And Cow Home 22, very nice, very colorful. You're okay. And this one, who's this? Cow Fang 14 is okay. Yeah. Okay, class, so please just finish your summary. And then you're fine. Okay, class, I'll see you next week. Have a nice weekend. Bye-bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye. See you next time.
Thank you, teacher.
teacher.
Okay,
See you
bye-bye.
tomorrow.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye.
Next
Bye.
time.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Teacher.